Hello IG Garage family. If your scanner is showing the P2573 code, don't ignore it. This code is related to the direct ozone reduction catalyst temperature sensor, which helps the ECU monitor the temperature of the vehicle's emissions control system. What does P2573 mean? P2573 stands for Direct Ozone Reduction Catalyst Temperature Sensor Circuit Intermittent. In simple words, the ECU has detected an unstable or intermittent signal from the catalyst temperature sensor. The ECU depends on this sensor to monitor catalyst temperature and make sure the emissions system is operating correctly. If the sensor signal suddenly drops out, becomes unstable, or changes unexpectedly, the ECU can store P2573. Common symptoms you may notice: check engine light on, intermittent warning light, increased exhaust emissions, poor fuel economy, failed emissions testing, additional emissions-related trouble codes, and sometimes reduced engine performance. In many vehicles, the engine may still run normally. Sensor location. The direct ozone reduction catalyst temperature sensor is located in the exhaust system near the ozone reduction catalyst. The exact location depends on the vehicle. Because it operates close to the exhaust, the sensor and wiring are exposed to extreme heat and vibration. Common causes. The most common causes include faulty temperature sensor, loose electrical connector, corroded connector terminals, damaged wiring, broken wire inside the insulation, heat-damaged wiring, poor sensor power or ground, or ECU problems in rare cases. With an intermittent code, always inspect the wiring and connector carefully. Quick diagnosis. First, scan for additional emissions-related codes. Inspect the sensor connector for corrosion, moisture, or loose terminals. Check the wiring for melted insulation or broken wires. Use a multimeter to test the sensor's power, ground, and signal circuits. Then monitor the sensor's live data with a professional scan tool. Gently move the wiring while monitoring the signal to check for an intermittent connection. How to fix P2573. Repair damaged wiring. Secure wiring away from hot exhaust components. Repair loose connections, clean or replace corroded terminals. Replace the temperature sensor if testing confirms failure. Clear the trouble code. Then perform a road test while monitoring the sensor data. Final result. Fixing P2573 will restore stable catalyst temperature monitoring, improve emissions system operation, reduce emissions, and help prevent additional trouble codes. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.